So I wrote a screenshotting tool and we use it as part of the pipeline and TD teaching. Just to sort of demonstrate this in action, what I'm going to do is open up a mesh. So here's the OBJ mesh of the pound stack from previously. So if I select all of this, the tool is in the pipeline and TD stuff, which I'll put a link to. So what we've got is an option here to basically select all the meshes. So it will either do the selected element, or if you select all, it will attempt to do all. We give it a name. So in this case, this is pans, I'll call it. We've got a size, framing all, and which views we want to export. So when I click on this, I'll pop up a dialog box. I'm, as you can see here, in the pound stack folder there. Click on save, and you can see the views changed a little bit there. And if we have a look now, go in here, and I can open start.png, and you can see it's just generated a front view, perspective view, side view, and a top view of the object. So I'm going to use this in the database just to help visualize things when we're doing searching and stuff like this. So these will be saved as blob data. I'm going to manually just go through and do all of these for all the meshes that I've got ready, and then just add them to the repo. It just makes life a little bit easier having these all set up. Once the data's all done, we're ready to really start working on the all the data. So let's just do another one there. So let's just bring in the bottle now. So select the object there. Just bring this short dialog show there. Click on that. We're in the bottle folder there. Actually, what I do want to do, let's just do that again, because I've got to set the name of the object. There. Not re-showing the dialog. That's a bit annoying. Happens sometimes with Maya. Scripts get a bit out of sync. Let's just create a brand new one. There we go. I'll call that bottle and screenshot in the correct folder there. And again, it should have, if we go back to bottle there, open the start.png, and you can see all my different elements there. So that's quite useful. The only other data I'm thinking of needing is the bounding boxes, which again we'll talk about a bit later, and I'll do some more scripts. So I'm going to go and generate all of these now, which is just a bit tedious and slow.